Welcome to our journey back in time, to the heart of ancient Egypt, where the sands of the desert hide secrets of monumental proportions. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary exploration into how the pyramids of Egypt were built, uncovering the ingenuity, determination, and spiritual vision that shaped these wonders of the world. From the planning and design to the precision of their construction, join us as we unravel the mysteries of these timeless symbols of human achievement. If you're fascinated by history, architecture, and the ancient world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that takes you on unforgettable journeys into the past. Let's dive into the story of the Egyptian pyramids, a testament to what humanity can achieve when it reaches for the stars. The story of the Egyptian pyramids is a testament to human ambition, stretching back over 4,500 years to the arid sands of the Nile River Valley. These monumental structures were built to last an eternity, serving as the final resting places for Egypt's pharaohs and their consorts. The most iconic of these are the Pyramids of Giza, part of a larger necropolis that includes the Sphinx and several smaller tombs. The complexity and precision of their construction have fascinated historians, architects, and tourists alike, making them a symbol of ancient Egypt's grandeur. The Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned with incredible precision to the cardinal points of the compass. Its north-south axis is aligned to within 0.05 degrees of true north, an accuracy unmatched by any other structure for thousands of years, suggesting an advanced understanding of Earth's dimensions. Constructed during a time when Egypt was one of the world's most powerful civilizations, the pyramids were not merely tombs but a declaration of the pharaoh's divine role in maintaining the order of the universe. They were built to ensure the pharaoh's rebirth and eternal life in the afterlife, a belief rooted deeply in Egyptian culture. The pyramids also served as a unifying national project, involving the entire society in their construction and reinforcing the central role of the pharaoh. Modern scanning technology has revealed the existence of previously unknown chambers within the Great Pyramid of Giza. These voids are still being studied, and their purpose remains a mystery, fueling speculation about hidden knowledge or treasures. The planning of a pyramid was an endeavor that could take years, requiring the expertise of astronomers, architects, and engineers. Sites were selected based on their proximity to Cairo and the alignment with celestial bodies, particularly the North Star, which was essential for ensuring the deceased pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, demonstrates an extraordinary level of precision in its alignment to the cardinal points, an achievement that remains unparalleled in the ancient world. Despite the harsh desert conditions, the temperature inside the Great Pyramid remains a constant 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, similar to Earth's average temperature. This natural insulation is a result of the pyramid's design and the properties of the limestone blocks used in its construction. Quarrying the limestone blocks was the first step in the construction process, requiring thousands of laborers working with nothing more than copper chisels and wooden tools. These workers would carve out the blocks directly from the quarry, using a technique that involved making a series of holes in which wooden wedges were inserted. The wedges were then soaked with water, causing the wood to expand and the stone to crack along the pre-cut lines, allowing for the extraction of massive blocks. It's estimated that the Great Pyramid was built in just 20 years, a staggering achievement considering it consists of approximately 2.3 million blocks. This would require the placement of more than 12 blocks every hour, day and night, throughout the construction period. Transporting these colossal stones to the construction site was a logistical challenge that the ancient Egyptians overcame with ingenuity. During the inundation of the Nile, they transported the blocks on large wooden boats along the river and through canals specially dug for this purpose. On land, the stones were dragged on sledges over wooden rollers or slid over tracks lubricated with water or milk, significantly reducing the friction and making the transport of these massive blocks feasible over long distances. The Step Pyramid of Djoser is considered the world's earliest monumental stone building. Designed by Imhotep, who is often credited as the first architect in history, this pyramid marked a significant departure from traditional mastaba tombs and set the stage for the era of pyramid building in Egypt. The actual construction of the pyramids is a marvel of ancient engineering. Theories on the methods used include the use of straight ramps extending from the quarry to the construction site or spiral ramps that wrapped around the exterior as the pyramid rose. These ramps were built from mud, brick and rubble, materials that could be easily removed once the construction was completed. The precision with which each block was placed is astounding, with some joints being so tight that not even a piece of paper can slide between them. The ancient Egyptians' knowledge of astronomy was not only advanced but integral to the pyramid's design. Some shafts within the Great Pyramid are aligned with specific stars, believed to serve as celestial pathways for the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the heavens. The workforce consisted of a well-organized community of workers, including skilled laborers, craftsmen, and farmers who worked on the pyramids during the flood season when agricultural work was impossible. This dispels the myth of slave labor. Workers were provided with food, shelter, and clothing for their service. Recent discoveries of workers' villages and tombs have revealed a great deal about their daily lives, diets, and the medical care provided to them, highlighting the importance of their role in this monumental task. The Pyramid of Menkaure, the smallest of the three main Giza pyramids, once had a polished limestone casing so reflective it was called the Divine Pyramid. Most of this casing has been removed over millennia, but it originally shone like a beacon in the sunlight. The complexity of the pyramids extends to their interior, which housed elaborate chambers and passageways designed to protect the pharaoh's body and his journey to the afterlife. The Great Pyramid contains three main chambers: the King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and the Grand Gallery, each serving a specific purpose in the burial ritual. These chambers were constructed with such precision that they have remained intact for millennia, despite the shifting sands and the passage of time. A recent theory suggests that the workers transporting the pyramid blocks used water to facilitate the movement of large stones. Wetting the sand in front of sledges carrying the heavy stones reduced friction, making it easier to pull them across the desert. The construction of the pyramids was more than an architectural or engineering feat. It was a cultural and religious endeavor that engaged the entire Egyptian society. They are a testament to the organizational capabilities, technological advancements, and spiritual beliefs of ancient Egypt. Today, they continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of humanity's capacity for greatness and the enduring desire to reach for the eternal. The Curse of the Pharaohs, a supposed curse on those who disturb the mummy of an ancient Egyptian pharaoh, is a modern myth popularized by the media after the discovery of King Tutankhamun's tomb. Despite this, many associated with the tomb's discovery did experience untimely deaths, fueling the legend. The architectural journey from the earliest tombs to the Grand Pyramids was marked by significant innovations and experiments. The transition from mastaba, a flat-roofed, rectangular tomb with underground burial chambers, to the stepped pyramid, and finally to the smooth-sided pyramid, showcases the evolution of Egyptian construction techniques and their increasing architectural ambitions. The Step Pyramid of Djoser, designed by the architect Imhotep, was the world's first monumental stone structure, consisting of 6 mastaba-like layers placed on top of one another, creating a step-like structure that laid the groundwork for future pyramids. This evolution culminated in the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza, which, with its perfectly aligned and smooth sides, represents the pinnacle of pyramid construction. Discovered in 1922 by Howard Carter, Tutankhamun's tomb was one of the few royal tombs found largely intact, providing invaluable insights into pharaonic Egypt and sparking a global interest in Egyptian archaeology. The ancient Egyptians' understanding of astronomy was not only advanced but integral to the design and orientation of the pyramids. They believed that the pharaoh's soul would ascend to the stars, particularly to the circumpolar stars, which, unlike other stars, never set and were thus associated with eternity. This celestial orientation is evident in the precise alignment of the pyramids, especially the Great Pyramid, which is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal points. Additionally, certain shafts within the pyramids were directed towards specific stars, serving as celestial pathways for the soul of the pharaoh. This intertwining of architecture and astronomy underscores the Egyptians' desire to harmonize their spiritual beliefs with their monumental creations. Analysis of the remains and garbage of the pyramid builders' camps revealed that the workers were fed a diet rich in meat, bread, and beer, suggesting they were well cared for and not slaves as commonly thought. Despite the lack of surviving metal tools from the period, the precision and scale of the pyramid construction have led scholars to deduce the types of tools and methods used. The copper chisels, stone hammers, and wooden levers were simple yet effective in quarrying and shaping the limestone and granite blocks. The Egyptians' use of rudimentary surveying tools, such as plumb bobs and sighting rods, enabled them to achieve remarkable architectural accuracy. The construction of the pyramids is a testament to their ability to maximize the potential of the tools and resources available to them, illustrating an unparalleled level of ingenuity and resourcefulness. Near the Great Pyramid, archaeologists discovered a dismantled wooden boat, known as the Solar Boat. Intended for the pharaoh's use in the afterlife, This boat was meticulously reconstructed and is now displayed in the Solar Boat Museum near the pyramid. The pyramids were deeply symbolic, representing the sun's rays descending to earth, which helped the pharaoh ascend to the heavens. This symbolism is reflected in the pyramid's shape, which mirrors the sun's rays. Moreover, the texts and carvings inside the pyramids, known as pyramid texts, are some of the oldest religious texts in the world. These inscriptions provided spells, prayers, and incantations to guide the pharaoh in the afterlife, reflecting the depth of the Egyptians' spiritual beliefs and their conception of the afterlife as a continuation of earthly existence in a divine realm. The Great Pyramid once had a smooth, white limestone casing that made it shine brilliantly in the sun. Most of these casing stones have been removed over time, but a few can still be seen near the base of the structure. The preservation of the pyramids is an ongoing challenge, facing threats from environmental factors, human activity, and the passage of time. Efforts to preserve these ancient wonders include the use of modern technology to monitor their condition, the restoration of damaged areas, and the implementation of visitor management strategies to minimize wear and tear. International cooperation and funding play crucial roles in these preservation efforts, ensuring that these symbols of human achievement continue to stand as a link to our past. The work of conserving the pyramids not only helps to protect them for future generations but also provides valuable insights into ancient construction techniques and materials, contributing to our understanding of human history and heritage. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest and only surviving structure of the original 7 wonders of the ancient world, standing as a testament to human engineering and architectural skills for over 4,500 years. As our exploration of the Egyptian pyramids comes to a close, we are left in awe of the ancient Egyptians' architectural prowess, their deep spiritual beliefs, and their relentless pursuit of eternity. These structures stand not merely as tombs but as a bridge between the earth and the heavens, a reflection of a civilization that looked to the stars and dared to dream of immortality. The pyramids remind us of the incredible feats humans are capable of when we harness our creativity, knowledge, and collective efforts towards a singular vision. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through time. If you've been captivated by the mysteries and marvels of the Egyptian pyramids, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content that brings the wonders of the ancient world right to your screen. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep seeking the stories that connect us to the past and inspire us to reach for the future.